make money with no money. All you're going to do, you're going to make a blog on Blogger. It's free. You're going to join a few free websites that are free to join up. And then you're going to take your affiliate links. You're going to put them on this blog. And then you're going to drive traffic to it for free. I show you how to do everything. And this first, I had to split it up into 2 videos because I was trying to talk too quick and I was missing some things. So this first video, I'm going to go over the websites. Then in the second video, I'm going to go over how to make your blog, how to take my blog, make your blog, steal my video, put it on your blog, and the traffic in the second video. So let's jump right into the websites that you're going to be joining. First, you're going to come here, click on My Passive Income System. You're going to come to this website. You're going to click on Yes, Give Me Access. Then you're going to come to this website. Then you're going to come to this web page right here. Watch the little video. He talks about it a little bit. You're going to create a free account at earneasycommissions.com. Every time somebody creates a free account underneath you, you get $1. Once they went to their email and confirmed that they made that account, then they start advertising and getting people underneath them, you get $1 for every person that you have signed up. Later on, you are going to after you start making money, you are going to upgrade your account. My personal opinion, which is what I did, you upgrade to the $100 monthly package for right now until you make even more money, and then you're going to scale up the business. You're going to make money and then spend money into it, but you're going to start with nothing. Everything's free, like I said. After that, you're going to go to step 2, which is here. In this step, you're going to go to Builderall. It's a free account. It's free for 30 days. After 30 days, you'll have money to spend on it and keep the website going. You're going to build a website just like this one. He's going to teach you how to do it in this video. You're going to go to copy the system. He's going to show you how to do everything. Step 3, Udemy. It's a traffic website. It helps you get traffic, so it sends out solo emails for you. But what it is, you're going to sign up for that, and you're going to put your affiliate link in here. So that way, when other people start paying for traffic, after they've made money, just like you are, after they make money and start paying for traffic, you're going to get a commission on all the traffic that they buy. It's that easy, and you join it for free. And you're not going to use it until you get money. Level Up Rewards. This is another one. You're going to join it for free. You're going to go here to Offers. You're going to go down to your offers. You're going to click on Nelson Rewards. No credit card, and it's free. You're going to click on that. You're going to download something onto your computer, but what you want to do is write down the day or remember the day that you downloaded it. Then you're going to keep checking your email. It takes about 1 to 2 days. After you keep checking your email and it says that you got the credit from that, now you're on level 1. After that, wait another 2 days, then you go into your downloads and just erase it. Go to the day when you're in your downloads, check the dates and go to the day that you downloaded that, and everything that you downloaded on your computer that day, erase it. Because some of it says Nelson Rewards, some of it don't. So you go to the exact day that you downloaded it and just erase everything that downloaded that day. And here, let's see. On the other passive income system, he shows you how to change your affiliate links or where to get your affiliate links. But here, you go to Status, and you're going to grab this link right here. That's the one you're going to copy and paste into your blog to get people to sign up underneath you, so that way you can make the $5. And this one, you can, as soon as you make the $5 off everybody, you can pull it directly out to your PayPal account. All these pay into your PayPal account, or a PayPal gift card, or this one, you can get a Visa card. But this is earnhoney.com. All you do, here, let me erase the rest of this stuff. Get that off there. Get that off there. All you do when you come to this website and you sign up for your free account, you're just going to watch videos. They run by themselves. You turn them on, and you're just going to let it go. You're going to go to Watch and Learn. You're going to click on this funny looking guy right here. This is the one I always click on. It works the best. So you're going to click on this guy. I do not wish to share. Then you're going to go there now. Click on that. It's going to bring you to your Facebook. Blah, 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 blah. You're going to click on this button. Watch video. Then you're going to click on here. It's going to take you to a new window. Video is going to pop up, and it's just going to start playing. It constantly plays all the time. Sometimes it takes a little bit to refresh your screen and start over, but you're going to let it run all night. But you're going to open up 2 tabs to do it a little quicker. Don't go over 2 tabs, because then sometimes they don't pay some people out when they open up too many tabs and try to take it too far. But when you do open the 2 tabs, don't go back to the same web page that you were on. Open a new tab. Go to earnhoney.com again, and then do everything over. Don't go to the same earnhoney.com tab. Go to it, open a new tab, and go to that one, and do everything over again. And now we go to this one, the FunnelX system. You're going to sign up for this system. You're going to sign up for MoneyLine. And on this, he teaches you everything. His videos are a little long and drawn out, but he's exact with it. He teaches you how to do everything. And you don't have to sign up for everything right then and there. You can sign up for stuff later, because once you're in the back office, well, when you first click on it, he tries to get you to sign up for everything. You don't have to. You can go into your back office and sign up for the stuff afterwards. But you join MoneyLine. It's another way to advertise and get free leads. So show you how to use that. You're going to spend money on that and level up in that after you make money. The MCA, it's a roadside assistance thing. I have it. It's pretty good to have. But you don't. It does cost, but you don't buy it until you make money. Once you make money, then you go in, buy that, and scale up your business. Then you get paid $80 commission for everybody that signs up underneath you. Oh yeah, everything that you sign up for, you get paid for people underneath you that sign up for it. That sign up when they start making money and spending money on it, you get paid. The Arbor, it's an autoresponder to help when people sign up for something. If they haven't bought yet, it keeps replying and replying. But this guy right here shows you how to use that. ClickMagick, what it is, you put a little bit of extra text on your links, on your affiliate links. And then when you say you got 5 different places you're getting traffic from, it'll show you which one's giving you the most traffic. So if you got 5 different places that you're using, and 2 of them aren't giving you that good of traffic, you can get rid of them. You can either save the money, find 2 more traffic sources, spend the money on the other 3 traffic sources. But it's good to use. The Arbor's free for 30 days, and this is free for 14 days. But you don't even have to sign up for neither one of them yet until you start making money. It's up to you. And you get your affiliate link from here, right here. Scroll down, 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 down. Boom. That's your affiliate link you're going to copy and paste and put on your blog post. I didn't show you how to. Here's how you get the Earn Honey affiliate link. Go to invite. Tap on that. Go to my invites. No, I guess not that one. Invite friends. Here we go. You're going to click on referral link, and you're going to copy and paste this link right here and put it into your blog. On the passive income, he shows you exactly where to get all your affiliate links, because let me go back to this one. Once you build this website, you're going to go to earn these commissions, and he's going to show you how to grab your affiliate link and put it right in here. So when people click on that, they go to your website for earningsandcommissions.com. The same thing for Builderall and everything, and he shows you where to get your affiliate link for this whole website that you build, that you're going to paste into the blog post. So I did all that, the affiliate links. Okay, that's a little bit about all the websites. You're going to join them all for free. Everything is free to join. The other ones that I did show you, they're free trials or whatever. The only one that costs money off rip is the MCA, but don't worry about it until you make some money to join it. It's that easy. You're going to join these websites, make a blog post, and then advertise that blog post for free. I'm going to show you how to do everything in the next video because I'm about to run out of time on this one. I'm trying to make that one as quick as possible too. The next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a blog post. You can take my blog, take my videos, it's copy and paste them, and I'm going to show you how to get the traffic. So click on video 2 down in the links, and I'll see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for future videos of mine. I'm going to start doing a lot of videos. I'm going to try to grow a YouTube channel. Another video I'm going to do, TraffUp, I'm using that, and Twitter Valet. Right now I'm trying to dominate Twitter and dominate YouTube as far as free traffic. I'm going to see how long I can go without spending any money on traffic. And to help everybody out, I'm going to show everybody how to do everything for free. I'd rather do everything for free. But I am going to start spending money on traffic eventually, but that's later on. We'll see. So click on the next video. See you in the next one. Okay, almost forgot a few things. First of all, if you found this video on YouTube, go to the description below and click on my blog post to find everything you need. What else did I forget? The level up rewards. Every time somebody else underneath you clicks on your affiliate links and they do the Nelson's reward thing, you get $5. As soon as they get that confirmation in their email that they've leveled up, you get $5 that you can instantly withdraw into your PayPal account. And earnhoney.com. I forgot to tell you about that one. You get points for other people getting. You get a percentage or whatever. It's a small percentage, but the more people underneath you, the more points you're going to get. You get points when they watch TV, but you have to use the system to get their points. But the more people you get underneath you, the more points you're going to get, the more money you're going to be able to withdraw. Just keep the system. I run it every night. I turn it on at night before I go to bed and just let it run in the background of my computer, turn the sound all the way down, and I just let it go. Now I think that's everything. Next video, I'm going to show you how to make the blog, steal my videos, and put them on your blog and get traffic. Free traffic. Alright. Click on the next video. I'll see you there.